we are going to download a software which is called CPUZ. So just open your favorite browser and search for CPUZ, and the first link which will appear here will be this CPUZ software from CPUID website. So just click on this link. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this website. And then here you just need to scroll down, and we need to download the classic version, and we are going to download the zip file. So just click on this zip English option here, and this is going to redirect you to the next page, and here you need to click on download now, which is going to start the download of this CPUZ zip file. So once this zip file is downloaded, you just need to go to the location where it's downloaded, and then you need to extract it. So you can extract this zip file anywhere on your file system. I'm going to extract this in my downloads folder itself, but you can extract it anywhere else, right? So let me extract this, and you can see it has been extracted, and inside this CPUZ folder I can see two files. One is CPUZ x64 and other is CPUZ x32. So I need to click on this option which says CPUZ x64, which is going to show you this kind of warning. You can just click on remove protection and open, and then click on yes, which is going to start this tool. And once this CPUZ software is started, you will be able to see all the information about your CPU, motherboard, memory, graphics card, and other hardware and software related information on this CPUZ tool, right? We need to go to the memory tab here, and under general you will be able to see the type of memory you have. In my case I have DDR4, so you can see this is DDR4 and the size is 32 GB, and channel is dual, and uncore frequency is this one, right? So this is how you can check whether you have DDR3 or DDR4 RAM on your Windows 11 operating system or not. So as I said, this CPUZ tool will allow you to find out other information on your Windows 11 operating system, for example CPU, processor, and then the motherboard information also I can get, graphics card information. I have NVIDIA and I have Intel graphics card. So you can see you can use this tool for getting other information related to your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.